This is an L sample answer. Keep practicing to build confidence. To try a mock test with these questions, watch our mock test video. The link to the PDF document is in the first comment. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any videos. Let's start off by talking about the emails. Do you often send emails?
Yes, I send emails regularly, mostly for work or official purposes. It's a quick and professional way to communicate, especially when sharing important documents or detailed information.
Do you think people will still use emails in the future?
Yes, I think emails will still be relevant in the future, especially for formal communication. However, people might rely more on messaging apps for casual interactions because they are faster and more convenient.
Is using emails popular in your country?
Yes, using emails is very common, especially in workplaces and educational institutions. Many companies and schools require emails for official communication, and it's also widely used for online shopping and registrations.
Do you prefer to make phone calls or to send emails?
It depends on the situation. If I need a quick response or a personal touch, I prefer phone calls. But for detailed or official communication, emails are better because they provide a written record.
Do you find emails easy to use?
Yes, I find emails easy to use because most platforms are user-friendly and accessible. They also allow me to organize my communication with folders and labels, which helps me stay organized.
That's the end of part 1. Now we are going to move to part 2. In this part, you will have 1 minute to prepare and then speak up to 2 minutes. Describe a picture or photograph of you that you like. You should say when the photo was taken, where it was taken, what you were doing in the photo, and explain why you like it.
One of my favorite photos of myself was taken 2 years ago. It was a family trip to a famous hill station. The place is known for its beautiful views and calm atmosphere. The picture captures me standing on a wooden deck, overlooking a breathtaking valley filled with mist and greenery. I was wearing my favorite jacket and a warm scarf, and my smile reflected the pure joy I felt in that moment. The photo was taken by my brother. He has a talent for photography and always manages to find the perfect angles. He clicked it just as the sun broke through the clouds, casting a golden glow on the entire scene. The background is amazing, showing layers of hills and faraway mountains that look perfect in the soft light. In the photo, I was simply taking in the natural beauty around me. We had just completed a long hike to reach that viewpoint, so I was feeling a sense of accomplishment and calm. I remember standing there, enjoying the fresh mountain air and feeling how nice it was to take a break from the busy everyday life. It was a moment of pure serenity and contentment. This photograph holds a special place in my heart because it reminds me of a wonderful family trip and the peacefulness of nature. Whenever I look at it, I feel inspired to plan more trips like that and cherish time with my loved ones. It's not just a picture, it's a memory filled with happiness and gratitude.
That's the end of part 2. Now we are going to move on to part 3. We'll continue discussing the topic of the photos. Do you think photographs are a good way to preserve memories?
Yes, photographs are a wonderful way to keep memories alive. They capture moments that we can look back on for years to come. When we see old pictures, we are reminded of the feelings and experiences we had at that time. Photographs can also be shared with others, making it easier to connect with loved ones.
What kind of photographs do people like to take?
People often enjoy taking photographs of family events, nature, and travel experiences. These types of photos help preserve memories of special occasions or beautiful places. Some people also like taking selfies or candid shots to capture everyday moments. The type of photograph may vary by occasion, but all aim to capture the emotions or scenery of the moment.
Do you think photography is an art form?
Yes, photography is definitely an art form. Like other forms of art, it requires creativity, skill, and an eye for detail. A good photograph doesn't just show a subject, it tells a story or conveys an emotion. Many photographers use lighting, composition, and editing to create visually appealing images, making photography a unique way to express oneself.
How has photography changed over the years?
Photography has changed a lot, especially with the development of digital technology. In the past, people used film cameras, which required developing photos in a darkroom. Now, digital cameras and smartphones allow instant access to photos, and editing tools make it easier to enhance them. This technological progress has made photography more accessible and convenient for everyone.
That's the end of the speaking test. Good job.